Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to set full screen in split screen view in your phone, Samsung all phones. Okay, first of all, go to settings of our phone here, then go to advanced features and here select multi-window and turn on this button swipe for split screen. Now to open split screen, to set split screen, what you got to do is open any app first. Okay, here I open Gmail. Then swipe with two fingers. With two fingers, swipe from the bottom of screen to have the split screen. So this is first split. In the second split, you can open any other app. Here I open OneDrive. So here split screen is viewed. Okay, viewed up to this area. First split is viewed up to this area. It is not covering status bar and notification bar. Similarly, second part will not cover this navigation bar. That is these buttons. Okay, up to this area, above this navigation button, split window is available. If you want to use full screen area for this split screen, then what you got to do is again go to the same settings area, multi window, and then you got to turn on this button to full screen in split screen view. Now check your split. See here, I am checking the split. Navigation bar are not visible now because second split is covered those area, and also first split covered this status bar and notification bar. So full screen is these two splits occupies this full screen of your phone. In this way you can easily set full screen for split screen view. Okay, full screen in split screen view. Okay, if you would like to disable this function, just you go to turn off this button. Now check. Now full screen is not enabled for both to split. Okay, so in this way you can easily set full screen, or you can disable full screen for split screen view in your phone, Samsung. Okay, all Samsung phones are having this feature. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.